In this video, we want to solve for x given x raised to power 2x plus x raised to power x is equal to 20. By given x raised to power 2x plus x raised to power x is equal to 20, we have two unusual kinds of exponential terms in this equation. But taking a closer look at this, we see that this is same thing as saying x raised to power x, then raised to power 2 by law of indices, then plus x raised to power x is equal to 20. I'm going to represent x raised to power x here with letter k. So we say let x raised to power x be equal to k. This would then imply k raised to power 2 plus k is equal to 20. K raised to power 2 plus k minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, and it's appear like we can factorize this equation. We have 20 here, which is same thing as saying 4 times 5. And because we have a positive coefficient of k here, which is 1, this is going to be 5 times negative 4. This will give us negative 20, and when we add it together, it gives us positive 1. Therefore, our equation becomes k squared plus 5k minus 4k minus 20 is equal to 0. So we have k into brackets k plus 5 minus 4 into bracket k plus 5 equals to 0. So we have k plus 5, which is common, and then we are left with k minus 4 is equal to 0. This would then imply that either k plus 5 is equal to 0 or k minus 4 is equal to 0. From here we get k is equal to negative 5, which will be k1. And then from here we get k is equal to 4, which we'll call k2. Now remember earlier in the video we said let x raised to power x be equal to k. Therefore, when k is minus 5, it implies that x raised to power x is equal to negative 5. We'll not be able to proceed with this because x raised to power x naturally is greater than 0, and because this is less than 0, we'll therefore reject this solution. Now we go to k2, which is equal to 4. So we have x raised to power x is equal to 4. There are a few ways to proceed from here. This is an exponential equation, and we can take the natural logarithm of both sides. However, looking at 4 here, we see that we can express this as 2 raised to power 2, which then implies that x raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Since we have x raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2, it then implies that x, by law of indices or property of exponents, x is equal to 2. This will then be our final answer to this problem. We'll now do a quick check to confirm that x is equal to 2 is the exact solution we are looking for. The problem given was x raised to power 2x plus x raised to power x is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 2. This should give us 2 raised to power 2 times 2 plus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 20. 2 times 2 here is 4. So we have 2 raised to power 4. Then plus 2 raised to power 2 here is 4 to give us 20. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So we have 16 plus 4 to give us 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. So we have 20 is equal to 20. And since the left hand side balances the right hand side, it confirms that the value we got for x, which is 2, is absolutely correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.